You've seen the headlines. AI is everywhere, automating jobs, shifting the value of skills overnight. The goalposts are moving, and yes, the need to adapt is real. But it's not humans versus machines. It's about learning to surf the wave, not fight it. The skills that got you here may not get you where you want to go next. It's less about being replaced, more about being redefined. Today we'll cut through the noise and focus on the practical skills that matter most in an AI-driven world. Our biggest strengths aren't what we do like computers, but what computers can't do like us. Here's what actually matters now. The AI is coming narrative, outdated. AI is already here, woven into everything from your video recommendations to global supply chains. We've seen this before. Every tech revolution made some skills obsolete, but new, more valuable ones always emerged. The key isn't to outdo machines at their own game, but to master what they can't replicate. Most people are preparing for the wrong battle, doubling down on skills headed for automation. So, what's left? What's truly human and irreplaceable? After digging into the data and talking to experts, it comes down to 3 pillars. Human-Centric Creativity, generating ideas that resonate on a human level. Emotional Arbitrage, navigating and influencing complex emotions. AI Whispering, collaborating with AI to amplify your impact. These aren't just defenses, they're your new offense. They're not just surviving, they're thriving. Let's break down each one. First up, Human-Centric Creativity. Let's dive in. Human-centric creativity isn't about making art with AI, it's about inventing what AI can't predict. It's about tapping into the unpredictable, the emotional, and the deeply personal. While AI can generate endless variations, it lacks the spark of intuition and the ability to sense what will truly resonate with people on a gut level. AI can remix and iterate, but it can't tap into the cultural pulse or create the next viral moment from scratch. It doesn't feel the excitement of a new trend, or the subtle shift in what people care about. The best campaigns like Got Milk or the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge came from human insight, not data analysis. These ideas were born from empathy, humor, and a sense of timing that no algorithm could anticipate. True creativity is messy, illogical, and deeply human. It thrives in chaos, in the unexpected connections, and the willingness to take risks. AI is trained on what's been done. Humans leap to what's never been imagined. We're not limited by precedent, we invent new rules. So, how do you build this skill? Break your own patterns. Step outside your comfort zone and challenge your routines. Try this. Every day spend 5 minutes brainstorming 10 absurd uses for a mundane object. Don't censor yourself, let your mind wander. A paperclip that's a musical instrument, or maybe a bookmark that doubles as a secret code. A mug that changes color with the stock market. Go wild. The more outlandish, the better. The point isn't practicality, it's stretching your creative muscles. It's about building mental agility and comfort with the unknown. This habit builds cognitive flexibility and helps you see new connections where others see dead ends. It rewires your brain for innovation. When a real challenge comes, you'll be the one with the breakthrough idea. You'll be ready to surprise even yourself. AI can't be absurd or illogical on purpose. That's your edge. Embrace it and let your imagination run free. Practice useless brainstorming. 10 absurd ideas daily. Make it a ritual and watch your creativity grow. It's not a bug in your brain, it's your most valuable feature. Your quirks and leaps of logic are what set you apart. In the age of AI, creativity that connects is your superpower. Nurture it, and you'll always have an edge. Next, emotional arbitrage. Emotional arbitrage is the art of reading, understanding, and bridging emotional gaps, something AI can't truly do. Chatbots can mimic empathy, but they can't feel it or share in the human experience. We crave imperfect empathy, real connection, not scripts. The best leaders, negotiators, and caregivers succeed because they sense and respond to emotions in real time. AI can analyze data, but it can't read the room or sense hesitation in a voice. Your advantage is in building trust, de-escalating conflict, and finding common ground. To get better, start with yourself. At the end of each week, journal about one emotional conflict you resolved. What happened? What did you feel? What did the other person feel? How did you bridge the gap? This builds your emotional vocabulary and helps you spot patterns in real time. Over time, you'll become the person who can walk into a tense room and know exactly what to say. Emotional arbitrage is your human superpower. AI can't touch it. Next, let's talk about the meta skill AI whispering. AI whispering is the meta skill, knowing how to get the best out of AI, not just using it. It's about understanding the language of machines and learning how to communicate your needs so clearly that AI becomes an extension of your own mind. The top performers won't be those who compete with AI, but those who direct it with precision. They'll be the ones who can harness AI's power to multiply their own abilities, making themselves indispensable in any field. It's like being a brilliant strategist with a supercomputer at your side, ready to execute your vision at lightning speed. Imagine having a partner who never tires, never forgets, and can process information faster than any human. The AI whisperer frames the problem, crafts the prompt, and interprets the output. They know how to ask the right questions and how to turn raw AI responses into actionable insights. It's not about pressing a button, it's about designing the right button to press. You're not just a user, you're a designer of workflows, a conductor of digital intelligence. For example, don't just ask ChatGPT to improve my resume. That's like giving vague instructions to a talented assistant and expecting magic. Instead, prompt it. Act as a senior hiring manager at Google. Rewrite my resume for a senior product manager role, focusing on quantifiable achievements. The more context and detail you provide, the better the results. This approach works in every field: design, coding, law, science. Whether you're creating art, writing code, or analyzing legal documents, the principles are the same. The human is the strategist. The AI is the fast, tireless intern. You set the direction, and AI does the heavy lifting, freeing you to focus on higher-level thinking. To build this skill, use AI tools constantly. Make them part of your daily routine, and treat every interaction as a learning opportunity. Experiment, iterate, and learn their quirks. Start with your resume, but don't stop there. Try AI for brainstorming, research, or even planning your week. Give AI a role, context, and clear goals. The more you specify, the more tailored and useful the output becomes. You'll learn prompt engineering and how to guide AI to your vision. Over time, you'll develop an intuition for what works and what doesn't. This is the foundation for more complex tasks. As you master the basics, you'll unlock the ability to tackle bigger challenges with AI as your partner. Templates and advanced prompts are linked in the description. Go play with them, and see how far you can push your creativity. Mastering AI whispering means you're not just surviving, you're leading. You'll be the one others turn to for guidance in this new era. But there's one more secret weapon. It's the trait that separates good from great in the age of AI. Let's talk about radical adaptation. The final piece, radical adaptation, constantly evolving your skills as the landscape shifts. In a world where change is the only constant, your ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn becomes your most valuable asset. The future belongs to those who are willing to reinvent themselves again and again. The value of creativity or emotional intelligence changes by industry and role. In some fields, technical know-how is king. In others, it's your ability to connect, empathize, and think outside the box that sets you apart. The secret is knowing which skills matter most for your path. The real opportunity is at the intersection of your experience and new technology. When you blend what you already know with what's emerging, you create a unique value proposition that's hard to automate or replace. Meet David. 25 years on an assembly line, then automation hit. Like many, he faced the fear of being left behind by machines. Instead of quitting, he learned the robot's quirks, documented their issues, and became the robot therapist. He turned a threat into an opportunity, and his factory now relies on his expertise to keep things running smoothly. He combined old expertise with new skills, creating a role no one had imagined. David now mentors younger workers, bridging the gap between generations and technologies. Your past isn't obsolete, it's your launch pad. Every lesson, every challenge, every success is fuel for your next chapter. Layer new skills on top of your experience to future-proof your career. Think of it as building a toolkit that grows stronger and more versatile with every new addition. Unsure where to start? Use tools like Will Robots. TakeMyJob.com. These resources help you see which roles are at risk and which are on the rise. Type in your job, see the automation risk, and spot which tasks are safe. Bookkeeping, automatable. But there's more to every job than just the routine. Financial advising, not so much. Roles that require trust, judgment, and personal connection are much harder to automate. Focus on moving from automatable tasks to advisory, creative, or people-focused roles. These are the areas where humans will always have the edge. These tools show you where to invest in new skills. They help you make smarter choices about what to learn next, so you can stay ahead of the curve. Don't abandon your career. Navigate its evolution. The journey isn't about starting over, but about moving forward with purpose. The links are in the description. Take the first step and explore your options. The future isn't about fighting change, it's about adapting faster than it. Those who embrace change, rather than resist it, will thrive. Your unique mix of experience and new skills is your edge. No one else has your exact combination of knowledge, perspective, and adaptability. Be the robot therapist, the creative strategist, the AI whisperer. The world needs people who can bridge the old and the new. The future is being written by those who adapt. The next chapter is yours to create, so start now and shape the story. The future of work isn't happening to us, we're shaping it. We have agency. We choose which skills to build and how to use new tools. Human-centric creativity, emotional arbitrage, and AI whispering are your framework for a resilient, valuable career. Double down on your humanity. Be more creative, empathetic, and strategic. Your degree and experience are your foundation. Layer on new, durable skills. Think of your career as a portfolio you're always updating. The takeover isn't coming, it's curated by you, so if you want part 2, smash that.